Hi, everyone, and welcome to Fourth Eye Realities. If you are someone who's scared to try something new just because you feel you might fail, then watch this video till the end. I am going to tell you about an experiment by famous American psychologist Dr. Carroll, who wrote a very powerful book called Mindset. In her research, she studied how children deal with failure. During the experiment, while solving a puzzle, a child said, "Oh, I love this challenge." Another said, "Oh, I knew that I would learn something new with this today." Think about that. That is how they feel about a challenge. It's because as kids, we were just curious. We did things that we had never tried before. We did not think about what others might think about us. What if they judged us? What if I fail? What if they laugh at us? Because as kids, we were purely just interested in learning. And more importantly, at this age, the creativity is at peak. We are more open to different possibilities. We are thinking bold, wild, and limitless. And you know why? It's because we are not fearful of others' judgment. We don't have the preconceived notions of how something should be. We don't think that if one thing is said to be this way, it will be this way only. No. Kids are always more open to different possibilities. And that's why a child can create something even more creative than an adult. But let me tell you, if an 8-year old can do something without fear, so can you. So here's my two insights. No matter how old you grow, don't suppress your curiosity. Don't hesitate to ask a question. Don't hesitate to try something new and learn something new every day. If you have an idea, experiment with it. You never know what you might discover. Secondly, let's take it upon us to not suppress the curiosity, creativity, and the potential of these young children. Let's not dismiss their questions that you might feel are stupid, but they might have a different insight in them. And that's why we are here with Fourth Eye Realities to help children have the space to grow, learn, explore, experiment, and develop something new that does not exist yet. Secondly, we are here to help you realize that anything is possible. And that's why I am really excited to tell you all that we are coming up with a brand new series called Young and Unstoppable, where we talk to young achievers and innovators. You will get to know their story, their journey, their failure, their hard work, their learning, and in spite of all the difficulties, how they made it happen. And so, if they can, you can do it too. So, stay tuned to know who our first guest is going to be. And if you are really interested in learning, growing, expanding your potential, increasing your creativity, and letting go of your limiting beliefs, something that is stopping you, letting go of your fears, then you're at the right place. So keep watching our videos because we have amazing things planned for you. If you like this video, then like, share, and subscribe to Fourth Eye Realities. Bye bye.